Welcome everybody to Cooking with Poppy.
Today, Guinevere and Arwen will be helping me make an Italian chopped sandwich using all these delicious fresh ingredients. We have some nice deli meats, provolone, some nice fresh vegetables. We've got a little bit of knife work to do, so let's get started, shall we? Let's start with this red
Onion.
Always leave the root, take the stem. Now it sets flat and firm. Let's peel the skin off. And we'll chop that up quick. Same with the peppers. Let's slice up this
Tomato.
Now let's start with 1 serving of lettuce. Let's start with some pepperoni. And some capicola. Then we're going to add some salami. A nice slice of smoked ham. And of course, a couple of slices of provolone. Because, you know, everybody loves
cheese.
And now it's time to start chopping. Just keep mixing everything right back in until it looks like this. And now we're going to add some of that red onion. The red and yellow bell peppers. And I think I'm going to add a couple of banana peppers. And we're going to chop that up some more. And now we're going to add that tomato. I saved it for last so it doesn't get too smushy in the sandwich. Now let's get everything all mixed together. And then we can add some seasonings. Let's start with a little bit of cracked black pepper and a pinch of salt. Next, we're going to go half a teaspoon of your favorite Italian seasonings. Let's add some red wine vinegar, maybe about a tablespoon. And a little bit of mayo. Let's go easy on this. Add a little at a time. And let's get this all nice and mixed in. When you make a chopped sandwich like this, you get a taste of every ingredient in every bite. And that's really all there is to it. Let's make a sandwich. I'm going to be using a nice hoagie bun today. Something that will hold up to a lot of filling. Going to get my roll opened up here. Going to scoop up some filling. Maybe another scoop. And that's really all there is to it, but it's going to be better than you can get at the deli because you made it at home. Let's take a look, see how we did. And there you go. Take a look at all those delicious flavors.
Tasty.
We hope you enjoyed our video today. And as always,
thanks for coming, everybody.
Definitely time to eat. Where's some chips?